Hey guys, welcome to our next video. Today I'm going to justify and prove to you how and why long-term investment strategy is much safer and way better than short-term investment strategy. I'm going to use a few cryptocurrencies and give you a couple of examples and show you why long-term investment strategy should be one of my main strategies and why I am keep focusing on long-term investment compared to short-term investment. Let's get started and take a look at the example of cryptocurrency called BNB, which is a native cryptocurrency of cryptocurrency exchange Binance. Let's take the look at 3 months duration. And should you have considered to invest into this cryptocurrency project for only 3 months, you would be in a negative, having approximately around 30% of negative rate on investment, return on investment, which means that a volatility in the short term offset your future potential gains. Now let's take a look at 6 months duration. And as you can see, it's still in negative. Even if you have invested for only 6 months, you would not be getting any profits, as again a short-term volatility way higher than gains in the short term. Should you have invested into this cryptocurrency for a year, as you can see, only just after a year you start seeing some good results and giving you 22.18% of your return on your investment, which is quite good. It's way higher than traditional financial markets such as stocks or shares. However, if you consider to invest into this currency for a long term, as I keep telling you and doing myself, setting up my vision for the long term, minimum of 3 to 5 years. Let's take a look. As you can see, just by investing into this cryptocurrency for 3 years, only $1 could have given you an increase of 1,250%. Should you have invested 3 years ago $1, you could have made $1,250. And just imagine if you have invested $100 3 years ago into this cryptocurrency, you could have made $125,000, which is unreal wealth generation. Hard to believe, but yes, it is happening in cryptocurrency. Now let's take a look at another example, just to prove you again that this is not only one currency. And we are going to pick a Solana cryptocurrency project. Start again with 3 months. As you can see, if you have invested only for a month, a short-term volatility would offset your gains and you would be in a negative a profit, which is loss. You would be in minus 47.79%. If you have invested in this cryptocurrency for 6 months, volatility is still there and it's minus 18.29% negative, which is again, you would be losing money in the short 6 months time. Should you have invested in cryptocurrency Solana for a year, as you can see how drastically your gains would change, would give you almost 200%, which is if you put $100, you could have a profited $19,800, which is quite significant. And if you look at the 3 years time frame, once again you can see just by investing $1 3 years ago could make you $1,394. And should you put only $100, that could have turned into $139,400. Now we are going to look at one of the last other cryptocurrencies, and we pick a Matic Polygon, as this is a very good, strong, fundamentally strong project. And let's take a look. 3 months, again, investing in such a short period of time would give you only a loss, negative, minus 20%. Investment into this crypto for 6 months duration would give you pretty much nothing, less than 1%. However, if you have kept your money for a year, again, it's increased its value and would give you on your capital return a 249%. And should you be looking to invest into this cryptocurrency for 3 years, this is unbelievable. It could give you on each dollar you invested into it $6,578. Should you have just put $100 3 years ago, you could have had $657,000, almost more than $500,000 over 3 years. Yes, these figures numbers look a little bit unreal, quite high. However, it does happen. The main point here is not about getting $100,000 or $500,000 over 3 years just by investing $100. The main point here is investing into the long term. It does give you a good chance to make really high returns on your investments. I hope this video was very helpful, and in other future video I'll explain and show you how to use dollar cost average strategy called regular buy, how we're gonna set up and create an investment plan on a daily or weekly basis for the next 3 years, so we can make good returns on fundamentally strong cryptocurrencies. Stay crypto, have a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.